Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to explore Empower's glossary and financial literacy tools. Are you confused by financial terms? Well, these Empower glossaries is going to make them crystal clear. Let me show you how to access it. So the first step to access the glossary, you got to log in and go to the Learning Center and then click on glossary. Step 2 is to search for a term. You can just type in any word like asset allocation or compound interest, and you're going to get a simple, clear definition. Now, you can also browse categories, just explore topics like budgeting, investing, or retirement to expand your knowledge. And use the literacy tool. You can check out Empower's guides, calculator, and articles for step-by-step learning. And of course, the final thing is to apply what you learn. You got to put new terms into actions, whether adjusting your portfolio or you're setting up your goals. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.